Anne says, Geoff talks about growing tomatoes like bushes in the lecture on humid tropics, home garden. But don't you have a problem with Phytophthora fungus in the humid climates? In our humid, cool to cold, cool climate, Phytophthora can cause severe problems if you don't aerate tomatoes. In the humid tropics, the Phytophthora is so rampant, there's not even any point in trying to lift them off the ground and grow all those 800 varieties you can do that to. We have to grow, just for the even considering the effort, we have to grow the varieties that don't get affected by Phytophthora. So cherries, I have a yellow cherry, quite a large yellow cherry tomato. I don't even plant it anymore. I've had it 20 years. It just grows up from the odd tomatoes that drop off the plants. They're all bush tomatoes, but the cherries, the little pear cherry tomatoes, the reds, the yellows, the green zebras, the black Russians, and pink Thai is fantastic. It's a plum tomato. They all are the only ones worth growing, worth putting the effort in for the return in our humid, wet summers of the tropics. Dry winters, you can get away with Roma and a couple of others, but not many. It's just not worth it. I know many people have tried and failed, even sealed in polytunnels, which I don't like at all, but even in pots and isolated soil, they still eventually get wiped out. Never work in the end financially. But in the cool climates, in the cool, humid, you can lift up your tomatoes. You have the really long summer days with low light, and you get a better condition for growing that diversity. But you have to do it in your season, where we grow tomatoes all year round. It's just a different world. So you can put the effort in to like snipping out the little corner growth and getting them to grow nice and high. They get a lot more sun like that. You get long sun, but not high sun. So you need longer exposure to sun, and you don't have the same vigorous, vicious Phytophthora that we have in the tropics.